Welcome back, Trusted Signals. In this video, I'm going to show you what is support and resistance and how you can use the auto support and resistance as one of your go-tos with your trading strategy. Let's go ahead and dive right into this. All right, so here we are on the 1 hour chart on XAU USD, and I'm going to use this chart to explain what is support and resistance.
What is what?
This is more going to be for the new traders who are wanting to understand what is support and resistance. So if you already know what support and resistance is and want to skip straight to the part where I show how to use auto support and resistance with trusted signals, then just fast forward to the time code you see at the bottom of the screen here. As for the rest of you, let's go ahead and continue. So what is support and resistance? Resistance is an area where you can clearly see where price struggles to push up higher. Resistance is found where price struggles to make higher highs, like you see here, and having price come right back to that area and failing to push higher above again. This is a great example of 1 hour resistance that is found right here. Support areas are where you can see where price is being held up and failing to push lower. So as you can see right here is a level where price rejected again. So this is a level of support. But support and resistance is both ways. So for example, if I continue to push this over here, you can actually see that when there is support, then in the future, it then could become resistance, as it is resisting price from pushing higher at this point. And yet in the past, same area, price was supported and rejected to push down.
No more down day.
So eventually support becomes resistance, and then resistance becomes support, time and time again. So how can we use this to our advantage? Well, let's go ahead and use this as an example. Again, this is a support line, and the idea is wanting to buy at the support, being that there is a high probability that price will reject at this point. And now for the resistance, the idea is to short at the resistance levels, being that there is a high probability that price will respect these levels, giving us great short opportunities. Now, it may be a little difficult in the beginning to find these levels with consistency, but mainly what you want to practice is finding confluence, which can be easily found where price rejects multiple times. So clearly we have a zone of resistance here, and clearly there is a level of support right here. Now, notice where my cursor is on the chart. And if we follow the horizontal line, we can clearly see multiple times where price came to this general area, rejected from falling lower and bouncing straight to the upside. So with using my box tool and running it to the right, using the candle wicks and closing of candles as a guideline. And now that we have our support and resistance drawn up, why not enter at this level, taking a long where price previously was rejected and capitalizing on the natural move of the market, or waiting for price to come to the resistance line where history shows price was rejected, unable to push higher multiple times as shown right here, capitalizing off the natural movement of the market. And now you say, what about all the zones in between of these two areas? This is where the auto support and resistance with trusted signals comes handy. And to turn on the auto support and resistance within trusted signals, you're going to go into the settings, scroll down, and click show support and resistance. And now trusted signals lines up all the support and resistance. And by the way, guys, this works with any time frame, currency pair, stock, and even cryptocurrencies. So you can skip the headache of trying to figure out where these levels are, and Trusted Signals will do it for you automatically. With using the Trusted Signals auto support and resistance as a guide, and once Trusted Signals detects these zones, you can easily wait for price to come to these areas to enter the market, and using the other support and resistance lines as profit-taking areas. Step 1 is having Trusted Signals detect the auto support and resistance line, which comes in real time. And then just patiently waiting for price to come back, retesting the resistance and entering short after confirming a rejection. And again, using these previous support and resistance lines as your profit-taking areas. Well, I think that wraps up this video, guys. That's how you use support and resistance, and how you can use Trusted Signals auto support and resistance in your trading to get more profits. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do give it a like and subscribe. Trusted Signals, let's go.